What are the most pressing environmental issues today?
Pressing environmental issues include climate change, pollution, and loss of biodiversity.
How can individuals contribute to protecting the environment?
Individuals can contribute by reducing waste, recycling, and supporting sustainable practices.
What are some ways to reduce carbon footprint?
Ways to reduce carbon footprint include using public transportation, conserving energy at home, and choosing eco-friendly products.
How does climate change affect global ecosystems?
Climate change affects ecosystems by causing habitat loss, altering weather patterns, and threatening wildlife.
What role do governments play in addressing environmental issues?
Governments play a role by implementing regulations, supporting conservation efforts, and promoting renewable energy.
How can businesses contribute to environmental sustainability?
Businesses can contribute by adopting green practices, reducing waste, and investing in sustainable technologies.
What are some benefits of using renewable energy sources?
Benefits include reducing greenhouse gas emissions, decreasing dependence on fossil fuels, and promoting long-term sustainability.
How can communities address local environmental challenges?
Communities can address challenges by organizing cleanup events, promoting recycling programs, and advocating for green spaces.
What are some effective ways to conserve water?
Effective ways to conserve water include fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances, and reducing water usage in daily activities.
How can education help raise awareness about environmental issues?
Education can help by teaching about environmental impacts, encouraging sustainable practices, and inspiring action through knowledge.